Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to read your Interactive Brokers portfolio. Understanding your portfolio is crucial for making informed investment decisions. We will go through the essential sections and metrics to help you navigate your account with confidence. You will learn to quickly find key information, track your performance, and customize your view for a more efficient experience. Let's dive into how to effectively interpret your investment data. Your Interactive Brokers portfolio is organized into several key sections. The Positions tab is where you will find a detailed list of every asset you currently hold, including the number of shares or units. The Account Summary offers a comprehensive overview of your cash balances, equity with loan value, and margin requirements. Additionally, a separate area allows you to review all your past orders and trades, providing a complete transaction history. Understanding performance metrics is vital for assessing your investments. Market value indicates the current worth of your holdings. Unrealized profit and loss, or P&L, shows how much you would gain or lose if you sold your open positions right now. In contrast, realized P&L is the actual profit or loss from trades you have already closed. Your cost basis helps you track your average entry price for each asset. Interactive Brokers offers robust customization options to tailor your portfolio view. You can easily add, remove, or rearrange columns to display precisely the information you need, such as daily P&L or percentage of net liquidation value. Furthermore, you can create and save multiple custom views, allowing you to switch between different data layouts with just one click. Filtering capabilities also help you focus on specific assets or types of investments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.